Okay, assalamualaikum guys everyone. Welcome back again with me in this channel Bangki. Okay, in this third series of my playlist of website for food store, namely is Peta Rasa. The next we're gonna um talk about Slack. Okay, Slack and category model. Okay, as you can see guys, the model of category of product is included by a slug. Okay, just like that. It's usually for making a friendly URL, gets getting the URL friendly to read. I mean, comfortable to read, not random word. Instead, we use ID. Okay, and now we're gonna adding some metadata in the model where when we do some processing create and edit, we're gonna automatically generating a slug by a title or name as sending. Okay, to do today in this video, we're gonna use the method put for model. So what put method, it's like that. What the mood boot method in the model of Laravel is part of lifecycle hooks into Eloquent. As you know, maybe we organizing act our act automatically when it even happen on this model. On this example, the method put will use we're gonna use that to make sure the slug is generated automatically by a name for category and title to product before we save to the database. Okay, adding some boot in category, you have to open the category of models, and then don't forget to import this Filament support str, and then we're gonna create the new method. The namely is boot, and the include of boot is a helper. Okay, helper. The helper is str slug, just like that, to generating a slug by a name from category. Okay, and the second step, we're adding the boot on the product. Okay, let's go to the models of product, just like that. We do the same again in the model of product. So you can see in this folder, in this file product, and change the code to be like this, and the explanation like before. We use this your slug and title by title from product. Okay guys, and then we move into the filament. Yep, as you can see, um when we talk about admin panel, the filament is more comfortable to use to our project. Okay, I think every developers like that filament, because the filament is simple, very simple for making CRUD on dashboard panel, on admin dashboard. Okay, Laravel filament is a package from Laravel and so that we can create the admin panel. Okay, just like that. For Filament is a package from Laravel to help us to create the admin panel or dashboard with easily and efficiently. Exactly. And this filament is for helping our managing data. I mean, create, read, update, and delete from panel of back end of our project. And with filament, we can create a page to managing the user, the product category, and many more of our data project without type the complicated code. Okay, we do not talk about this filament so long because you can read on the official website with your PC, with your laptop. I mean, okay, and then get started. The installation is very easy. You can just copy this from documentation of filament. You can just copy this code, capacity require filament 3.2, and then PHP artisan filament install panels. Okay, and then don't forget to this. I mean, this is first, and the second this. Do not running at the same time for this but and then um after that it shows the the questions like what is the ID and the and bottom is okay. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, like this, and you can type the admin. Okay, after that the admin panel you can see just like this. You can wait. This is my admin panel, the final admin panel for this part, but we can talk later in this final of duration my video. Yep, this is I mean admin plugin. Okay, we can log out. Sign out. Okay, this is the first time you can see after you create the admin filament from filament. I think, and then the next step you're gonna create a user. Simply to create user, you have to write or type PHP artisan make filament user. Okay, and then you can type your name, email, and password. Okay, like this. My name is Bunky, and the email address admin@me.com, and the password blah blah blah. Okay, and then we log in. Form from our email we can create. Okay, like this admin me.com, and then uh forget for the password. Okay, I think oh sorry guys. Okay, it's okay. And remember me, set in. Wait. Okay, this is the first time after you create the user to from admin panel. Okay, this is do not look this part. We're gonna talk this part after this. The first time you can see the admin panel of your dashboard was you created by user. It's like this, and then you can activate the single page application and the column sidebar like this. This is a column sidebar, okay? And you can activate this from you can look for the app and then filament and category admin panel. I mean filament. Yep, admin panel provider. Then you can create type this SPI, and then server fully collapsible on desktop. I mean, okay, just like that. And then don't forget to look for your env environment. So if you don't um if you don't change this app URL yet, you can change, and then you adding the localhost and then 8,000, so that we can uploading the image to our project, and then our image in the project is completely readable in the with Laravel filament. Okay, after that, creating research category. Creating research category is like this. Okay, PHP doesn't make filament research category. If this command is work the running, so that we can getting the files and the files in the folder filament research. Okay, like this category research and category research PHP. We get 4 item for this research. Okay, and then you can uh you can uh I mean restart your website, and then you can see the categories has been created on your admin panel. Just like that. And then don't forget to change the icon sidebar. We move into the category search, and you can just change the icon to her icon or folder like this. And then don't forget and create category. On default, the process create and edit Laravel filament do some redirect to the page of edit data. And here we're gonna change so that the redirect to go back on index. Okay, just like that. After we creating some data on this category, and the filament will redirect go back to index. Do not to edit page. Okay, for the edit category, same. It's like this. The code is same, and then we organizing the okay organizing. We create a navigating group, and the name is master data, and we create a bulb function get navigation sort and the first, so that we can look the categories is look up on the top of this sidebar or I mean grabbing menu. Okay, after that we create the category form. Category form after work we create the research data categories so that we connect into the creating as a form. Okay, where the form is used to be a processing create and edit data category. Okay guys, you can open the file of filament research category research just like this, and then you can type this code. Okay, this is I adding some form component card make, and then in this include we're gonna adding the two form input. The first one we use file upload, the name is image, and then the second is text input, the name is name, and then you can reload the project, and then you can see the the interface just like this, image name. Okay, and after this we're gonna show the data of categories. Open the category search after this, and then you can scroll down to the table and look for columns, and we're gonna adding the image column, the name is image, and the format shape is circular, and the second we're gonna use text column, and the name is name, and we're adding some features searchable by name like this. Okay, this is circular, and then this searchable, and you can see if you will go to new categories. Okay, this is from edit categories or create the categories the new categories, and then after categories we move into the product. Same like categories, the product is page partition make filament research product, and the step one you have to type the command on your terminal just like this. And then we get some new files just like this. Folder product research, it is include create, edit, and list products, and then the product research.php. At the next step, we can change the icon just like this. From default, the default is, and then we can change to the shopping bag. And just like category before, you can also adding this index redirect from create and edit. And don't forget to organizing your listing, and the product is the second listing from our navigation group, and the name is master data. Okay, after that we create a form of product. Go to the product research here and scroll down and type this code. After schema, I create a from components card make, and then this include file plot. The file plot is image. Okay, the format file plot is image, and the label product image border is placeholder is product image. And the next is text input. The name is title, and we're adding some grid. This is a two grid, and in the grid, you can see this is include three files. I mean three column. This is a category ID, price, and weight. And the final is the description. And then after you create and type of all of this code, you can look on your admin panel and go to the products. As you can see, this icon is changed, and then you can create the new product just like that. Okay, this is completely efficient and easier. Even we when we create a project by JavaScript, but I mean really JavaScript without this package of Filament, it's completely, I think, tricky. Okay, but in the Filament, we can create this all of this column of table very easy. Okay, and then you can create. How to create? We're gonna look for the show of this data product. Still in here, and you can scroll down and you can adding these tables. The table's image is circular like category, and the title is searchable by title. All of this format is text column except the image column. Category name, okay, searchable to, and price and description. Okay, and then okay, you can see just like that. You can type this code. Okay, ignore this error because we can the point is we can running our project. Okay, and then you can see, yeah, this product is show up on our admin panel. This product, it is a product research. Okay, and edit, Okay, just like you can edit some title or category or price, or you can change the product description, or you can change the image. Okay. Okay, after that you can create a slider research. This is pretty easier. Like before, we can type this command php artisan make filament research slider, and then we got some file again, like category and product. The slider is same. We got four files. I mean, four file and one folder, and then you can change the icon to the this photo, and you can also, just like before, adding this protected function get redirect URL to index, and the edit to index redirect URL, and organizing the list grouping. Okay, return 3, which mean the listing for this navigation group is on 3, top 3. After that, we create form slider. You can see this form. We can create the upload file upload, and the file upload we gonna upload is image, and then the text input, we use this text input because it's make to link. Okay, but in this case we type this hashtag first. Okay, and then to show the data of sliders, you can also creating this table and column, match image and link, just like before, and then you can see in this slider. Okay, as you can see, I was create and I was upload the three of these photos, and then but firstly you can you see in this panel is the empty. Okay, and then you got the new slider, and then you create this image, you upload this image, and the link is just like this. Okay, and then you go back to slider, and you can see just like this. Okay, this is simple. Okay, okay guys, in this three episode, okay, in this episode of three of my food store playlist, this is the ending of our videos, and you can look for the next part is for the next the for the fourth episode of our playlist is we talk about how we can create research card and show the data of cards, and then the transactions, rating, and reviews. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to questions on comment below. I'm Waki, and goodbye.